Mommy, I eat cane though.
Yes, my dear. Cane sweet man. How I go on with you now?
You know, some there don't mommy go me come go down high school now. But me want to talk to you about something first, cause some college representatives are coming to school today, and we don't know so we can afford it already. So what me I go do? Me I go apply for scholarship. Me promise you, me I go try my best, and me go work hard and make sure so me get it. So if I nothing and me want your help or me want you ask you a question about nothing, me will call you and keep you updated.
I'm glad to hear that, my dear. I wish you all the best, and I hope you will do. I hope you will do very good, and that you'll be successful. Take care now. God go with you.
Alright, mommy, thanks. So me I go now. So later.
Alright, darling.
Come from me, I walk up and I look for you everywhere.
Girl, me just a come from up here, yeah, they might tell me say gone already. And me say me a walk come down here, so.
So anyways, I'm excited about today because you don't know what I say. The college representative did my come. Girl, I'm excited bad. Which other college am I going to apply for?
Girl, me excited bad. Me can't wait because I know me a get through and me a go left the place there.
Well, I'm kind of a little bit sad because you have an opportunity if you can pay, but me have to apply for scholarship. But me afraid and I wonder because what if me not get through the scholarship, then you alone gone and then me just stay here alone by myself. And I really want to make my mother proud because she really work hard.
Girl, stop the foolishness. It's what we gonna get through and what we gonna go foreign and live the best life. And then we done college over there, we just go start work over there, make beer money. So stop boy, you not get through, you know. We are get through, believe in yourself. You know what I'm to you. You know you got this, man.
I really appreciate your faith in me, even though I always doubt myself. I don't know why I always do it. But thanks for always be the best friend.
No redhead on a bunch.
You know, say she gone on the road to fall back though. Like she gonna run some errands and things, you see me?
I don't know if mommy did tell about me put in my form today. Apply for scholarship for go to college up, so you know me always want to go. So
Well, yeah, you know, that's a good news still for you, so you finally apply. Look how long it takes if you apply. But you have the education, you know. So, you know, I'm sure so you will get through.
alright big bro, thanks. So I go eat.
I'm so tired.
Mommy, morning, what?
Why you know what time now you talk about morning? I saw night now, you know.
Boy, right now, too, I just saw wake up. Never know. See there, yeah. But yeah, you know, see how me and Leah they talk and like she tell me say she got apply for the college and thing, you know. You see me? I like the move the way she making it, you see me? Cause you know, see how how my thing these days at school, you know. So, you know, I'm just happy to see how, you know, she not become like me. She actually come out to something better, and that's really good, really, really good.
She tell me about it and she do it already. And it seems like she when come make life better for the whole of it. And me appreciate that.
Yeah, man, because I tell you, you see from I know that little girl, from she small and grow up, she just always in her book. Just always in her book, always in her book, you see me? Yeah. She come out well educated with all the subjects, you know. It's good to know see how she can put her life to proper use, you know. I never know her career, you know. Honestly, I never know what she want to become. You see, but I just hope see how she get the scholarship and actually get to go to college so she can become something good in life. You know, it's good for we have like a doctor or a nurse or a lawyer in our family, you know. So we have a good name. Yeah, I tell you.
I'm glad say boy she put her head to her lesson and she really reach to that in her life. And she have to be careful of a friend because these days friend and never friend again. Just hope she will continue upon the same road where she depend.
Yeah, man, I mean, yo, she careful with her friend. Yeah, just one friend me see her with, just one. Just one. You know, and her best friend from primary school days. So she not really par with friends, so you know nothing to worry about at all with her friend them. You know, she just have one friend. And it seems like her friend that help motivate her even though she had the party type. Isn't it? But yeah, you know, the friends seem cool. I'm kinda like your friend too.
Anyway, I'm glad say he work out that way there. And as a light bill, I think about $2,000 for the light bill.
Alright, now watch your face, mommy. I go out the road, mostly $2,000 forward back. I'm just make a pay light bill. See?
Alright.
Whoop. Which one are they? You can come on and me out, please. Me feel sick, like me can't go to school today, but me have one project for going. You can come bring it with me. Alright.
I'm telling this.
Me not know, but my head hurt me and my belly.
Mine not Ali. Mine is something, you know, but you feel sickish.
You always talk some foolishness. See work, yeah.
What is it?
I'm a science project.
Alright.
Just give your teacher for me, please.
Some would have carrying work for her. If you get more marks than me, she mad too. Get rid of this. Each of around here.
Girl, we have end of term exam. Where do you're supposed to study?
Girl, me soon go and go study. Me can't study straight through. Me know you like you. How long are you there study?
Girl, you know my style already. Wake up 6 in the morning, study from 6 to 10. Then me take one break, eat and come back right here. So me tell you already, me have to make my mother proud. Man, enough something me see my mother go through in her life, me I tell you. The amount of things what she do. She do living work, she do housekeeping, she do chef, she clean bathroom, janitor, she paint people house, she clean up yard. If you make me reach, yes, I have to make me have them things here and make me reach the college and me reach. Me have to make you proud, me have to get some, me have to do this. Sorry, but we can't waste no time. Top priority right now.
Well, I not kill out myself I study so long. Cause when I got exam, I'm sure say half a way study now on the paper. So I don't know why you kill out yourself so. What I'm telling man? Come here take a walk man. I'll come back later come study. Come on man, come here you go road. You just ever eat up in our house man.
Girl,
Come.
we have end of
Me no matter, come on. We are going road. Sure, can't deal with you. Come on man, sure. You
Girl,
just
but we
ever
have
eat
end
up.
of term.
It no matter.
Shabby, tell her say. Shabby, tell her say me can't go road because me have end of term this week. Please.
Tell her say she need to go out and enjoy herself. She not even have no man. Look man her man.
Me enjoy myself.
You don't enjoy yourself.
Man can't help me with school.
Say you don't want a little boyfriend. We just going to do sit down all day.
You know what, little boyfriend?
Yeah, man, tell you, if you go on out, man, you see, man, every day just there, just in this book. You see, if every day you study, you go mad, something you have to go out, you know, give your head some space. You see me, go enjoy yourself, man, you see me. You know, I might go out and find all one man too. You see me?
See? Me never wrong.
Shabby, seriously? As a big brother, I expect you to take up for me. You take up for her. I guess you have a crush on her or something.
Well, I mean, yeah, you know, a long time with her is your best friend, you know, but through your best friend, you know, I'm just afraid to say something to her. But of course, yeah, you know, I find her very attractive. And I want to start something serious with her, of course. No doubt.
Really?
Ew, no. Me can't imagine my brother and my best friend get fine. We got road then, bye.
I say you go on sister, go on someone, you know, when your best friend become your sister-in-law, what I'm to you?
No, go on.
No, sir, what I'm saying, man.
Tell you, I'm proud of you, you know. I'm glad how you are going. You are going very good. I remember me say, no make no friend lead you astray. Continue to focus in your book and make nothing distract you. Okay?
Yeah, mommy, I say thanks, but still, me like it college still because the classroom they not that far and the teacher they nice and the work they not really that hard. Plus, me not find no friend because I just reach out. So my friend girl when I see them, they not really look that friendly. So I just stay by myself, focus on my book and make a proud. That's my main option right now. That's my main focus. And that me a focus on to make you proud.
Well, I'm glad to hear say you now follow my friend again. But you decide your mind to just focus on your book. And if you continue that way there, you will do very well. Okay? And we can be in a better position that way in right now. Okay?
Alright, mommy. Anyways, the teacher didn't give me enough work today. Even though I went second week in a college, me have end of terms, me hear them I say. Me don't know, one bag of story. So me go in, go study and go and do it homework them. So when you done cook, you call me.
Alright. Love you.
Love you too.
Hello. Yes, man, I know what you're calling about. And I exactly know what you're calling about. Yes, man. I know just how to fix that problem. $100,000 a day with it. Okay. There is a bush behind you, behind your house, that is springing. You need to chop down that tree. Bathe in it for 3 days. Yes, 3 days. And when you bathe, don't dry off. Alright? Don't dry off. Alright. I'm gonna need my money. Alright. Take care. Stop right there, so. Take off your shoes there.
But you have on your shoes.
Don't watch me, don't watch me. Me tell you take off your shoes, take off your shoes. Holy ground you're coming in. Them messy part you not sanctify. Thank you very much, man. We know where they are for either, but state the purpose.
More give me something to make people sleep and can't wake up till a certain time. No matter what you do, then can't wake. No matter your box and then can't wake up.
You want to sleep permanently or a short period of time? Talk to me.
A short period of time. Enough to make them can't go nowhere for the entire day. For one whole day. Them have to asleep.
Then that not so like a man you want to now, man. But anyways, I got something for you. You have money?
Yeah, me have a little bit of money around here. How much will I charge for you give me that now?
Like, when you look so nice, I'm going to take a 30,000, you know. Where you stay?
Can't short the 5 grand. Me go have 25.
Me can't short you one night sleep. Eh? Me a short you one night sleep. No ramp with money, I short money. Oh. 30,000, how you go?
Alright man, me I give you 30,000 though.
Go behind the zinc, there's one pot, drop the money in there and come back. I'll be telling you, short money, short need $1,000, but it's alright. I'm going to give you something still. I have something here for you. So this, yeah? Put it under your bed with a woman. You can stay under it till you're rotten. Here? I will give you. Nah, go home.
You just turn in your phone, say, we have exam, you know, we have finals, you know. You always turn in your phone, you're supposed to study every book up and you're not even look for nothing. One thing.
Mrs. How that I go bother you? You want study, do you think no? Me alright, you know. I say when me I do a benefit me, study make you feel like you are go pass. So continue to studying. Me watch my phone. No worry about me man. Sure you see me always pass my exam them. Lady leave me alone.
Oh, me are best friend. But I feel like say disrespect right now. But if you not study and do your exam then you got done. So you know come out. You want the parole like them girl yourself? Your mother they are foreign, you know what I mean? Your mother about girls, all you go waste out your mother money. Phone, Snapchat, TikTok, every day. Me and a friend, me want be one come out to something and me want do if you come out to something always too. The thing say, because we just want you to read book and help me read book. No, I want good for you too. Me alone can go upstairs. You have to come too.
Alright, me know, you do your thing now study. Me say, where me don't affect you. If me sure say me ever sell enough, me can buy you everything that's within it. I go leave me alone.
What? Really? You really say that out of your mouth? Me know one of my best friend at the prostitution on the roadside. Where that I go? Me can help you, you know. I understand so you're not really bright also, but me can help you, yeah? Me can help you. So you're not have to feel no way. I can help you. Just make me help you, please. Me don't want to see yourself. We are talking if you say you can buy me everything else. What kind of lifestyle that you want to live, girl?
No disrespect. You're my best friend, yes, and thing, but you love one like you're better than people. I walk there yesterday, you could make a book if you say better than me. Matter of fact, me I go my yard, because me and somebody call up to me.
Hey, girl.
Mom.
Oh.
Yeah, me like it there.
Well, of course, me tell girl, you know, for me, I have to walk up on the hill, then down on the road again. Actually, you live nearer to your school, make me forward till I want to reach early tomorrow, because I can't miss the exam, and the exam are very important to me. Because you know my things set already, so that's why I say I can stay with you.
You know you're welcome down here anytime, girl. So we're going to tonight, bust a brain fan study, because that's all they're good for. You know, I'm not better for the one as long and go through book right through. From one little exam, you're going to kill yourself over. And I ain't not worried if you even feel the exam, I don't know why you behave so strong.
Girl, we are in bust my brain. Remember I said from a little bit on a girl, so you know, I always book education for me, nothing more, nothing less. Me have to do this. Anyways, your Wi-Fi work?
Well, my Wi-Fi ever work, you know, but I can't nobody know why I make even a book. Nobody know why. That's say even a book, okay, girl. Somebody know what I'm telling you. But you got to study. Goodbye, you too.
I don't care if nobody don't want me. Me know what me want. Me love myself. So who don't want to love me, that is fine with me. Anyways, you can put in your Wi-Fi password in this. Please, me have something we need to submit right now.
Nobody want my best friend. Shit, I head too big. Anyways, you want something to drink?
Yeah, because I'm thirsty.
Alright, so I go for some juice for you. Boy, you're gonna do exam. Watch me, you know. Say juice here.
Thanks. The laptop dead. I didn't have to turn around.
Soon turn on, man. Now you want to go study?
Boy, come up. Me have something to send in 5 o'clock. What time now? What time now?
I don't know.
Oh, this tastes so sweet. What you put in there?
I don't put nothing in there.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh.
We are dry, so put something in the juice?
I do make girl. I must say so orange juice. Anyways, you ready for exam tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm ready for the exam, auntie. Ready a long time, you know that too. So what you put on your juice for? Drink up my juice and you come in here content boy thirsty. Drink up my juice. Now waste my juice, you know?
Girl, relax, man. I don't drink it.
Drink your juice. Put the juice in
Wait,
here.
no, I just send this. Wait.
You can't drink your juice before you send it.
Girl, but I just have to just send this. Wait a bit now.
Drink your juice. Put the juice in your head now.
Alright, fine. Gosh. See there? It done now. Happy? Gosh.
Yes.
Okay, I was sending me something, please. You know, so I feel like I study too much.
Yes.
I feel like I want to sleep right now.
No, go and go sleep. You see big way there, so go and go sleep if you want to sleep. You know what I'm telling you? It just bust your brain, so. Sure.
Girl, I can't sleep. I have to submit this. Plus, your Wi-Fi even slower. I'm taking this out just make that go and load. I'm gonna go sleep. Get me a box of mackerel, please.
Hey.
What? 10 o'clock? And we have exam. Shit. Whoop, answer, whoop. Whoop, answer your phone. What is girl there? I can't sleep, Lamelo. Oh, I sleep till so late. Girl, look how long me have had you.
You finally weak? Girl, I know how long me awake you. Me come in and me shake you, me slap you, me kick you at one point, me think I dead you dead. Me, at one point, me almost call and see if I didn't know what me say you breathe. Me feel the pulse and say you breathe, girl. You know, your phone alarm, out rotted, me put in your ears and you still not awake. And you're fast enough, you study too much. Me wake you, even time I come out of the house to go do exam, me I wake you, I sleep. Me know what go on for me. Tell you, say you study too much now, but no, you don't want to believe me. See? That reach out. That a consequence of your own action. You don't want to listen to me. So see what happen now? You can't even go to the exam again. So what you gonna do?
Hope, when I can never try hard and I can't miss the exam as me tell you. When I go tell mommy say, she go say I should have gone a friend yard if I did there. I'm yard, I would have wake and go do the exam. What me I go do? Jesus Christ.
Girl, what you ball for? Because, a matter of fact, everything I see you study from what you not even come for your exam. So I know what you ball for, so good thing you not even come. You would have passed anyway, so we have make up your nice for. You study everything where you study, not even one of them to come on the paper. So that still feels, so tap your ball in.
How you would know when you not even take up book none at all? Well, time last night a phone in the pan. How you would know? YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram. How you would know?
My girl, you are talking about me to take up book and me for that TikTok or whatsoever. Girl, remember I know a bare English over here study, you know. When we get the paper maths, the pan is you that still feel because I never maths here study. So I don't know why your problem, you that still feel anyway you take it. So I don't know why your problem, girl.
What me can't believe you. You see how long me dey up last night and study. Me tell you say, me come to stay with you so that we can reach early. And you go tell me say, me a study for wrong. Not even that as bad. You make me there asleep the whole time. And I know say you no wake me because I no sleep that day and I no feel you shape me nor nothing.
So when you are trying to implement, so me never even try to wake you. See what I say, me not touch you down talk. Me say girl you dey asleep dead, what more you want here? Yeah, me wake you know, why moon make you go do the exam? Why? Moon make you go do the exam? You be like you that bright. Girl, my wake you, the deaf. Besides that exam, the whole lot, you never bright enough for pass anyway. So why your problem? My wake you. And you don't choose to wake. How you know if you sleep the or not?
You know what? I'm not even gonna argue with you. May I leave your place. You know what I realize with you? You say I'm best friend, but I realize say you don't mean me no good. May I leave your place. Thanks for your hospitality.
What is? Because then you take you out the pass. So go along. Go on home to your mother. Go along now. We ain't come up and wait man. Go on. Go buy your backside to go out the pass. I'm a drug girl.
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Is this Miss Valerie?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. I'm calling in regards to hear me?
Yeah, cut. Yeah, cut. Hello?
You hearing me?
No, you're cutting.
I'm calling in regards to your daughter, Talia.
Okay, I'm hearing you now.
Yeah, she missed an Pilates teacher. I have never seen her miss an exam, especially one this important. So I want to know what's really the issue and why didn't she make it to the exam?
But I can't understand this. Oh, Talia for miss an exam. It's what's going on. Really, me have to go really find out.
That's what I'm trying to figure out too, because she never missed an exam.
Okay, thanks for calling. I will see about it.
And let her give me a call too, okay?
Alright,
Alright, thanks.
you're welcome.
Have a good evening.
Same to you. I got a message from your teacher that there was a very important exam and you didn't turn up for it. Talia, where were you?
Mommy, remember the day when time I asked her to go up and hope you had come tell me they have an exam and me reach early and hope live nearer. And that day there, but in the morning me never wake up. Me wake up later and me miss the exam and hope say she did that try to wake me because me did study from late in the night and hope say she did try to wake me and me never did that wake. So me miss the exam.
She never did a try to wake you none at all. And lie she tell I me not believe that.
Mommy, you always a turn pan hope. You can't blame me for once. I'm wrong in this situation because I did up late, I study for true and I never remember to set my alarm. So I never wake up. Every time I just blame hope. What hope do you?
If you just stay here and hope beer when me tell you everything will be alright, you'd have reached more than exam.
Mommy, why your problem? I just want to examine. I don't know why teacher could even call you for. We just not be extra over some situation.
What do you mean just want to exam? You're not easy. Exam is important.
Alright, mommy, alright, don't know.
At the same thing make you miss the exam. If you did hear what me say, you don't mix the exam. And furthermore, no kiss your teeth at me because me in a size.
That even dog.
Me not know if you say to you, you know. You're right to say you're a dog, and that is what you is.
Talia, hear me out, no man. We are move like idiots, so. Me and your best friend, man. Hear me out, no?
You just want to say me and your best friend after what you do me? Fine, let me hear what you have to say. Let me hear your stupid excuse. Miss Hope.
Talia, me actually really try to wake you morning, but because you're tired and you study so much, you oversleep. Because me actually try to wake you, tired and oversleep, you know. Because I really try to wake you. More than nothing like that.
Hope. You said that 50 times up here and I still don't believe you. Expect me to believe you now? Poor excuse. Come again. What is your excuse? You make me miss my exam. You know say I could have miss that the exam. You know say me did have to do it. Why your excuse?
Girl, me try to wake you up. And matter of fact, why you blame me? You could have blamed yourself too, you know, because you could have set your phone for alarm, because you could have even set the laptop for alarm, and you know, set none of them. Me try to wake you if you go do your exam just the same. Me get up off of my own. You could have surely get up off your own too, you know. So I know why you be so you could have get up off your own and set the alarm just the same. By the way, me and the alarm clock and you're your own big woman. So if that exam is that important, you could have wake up off your own.
That's true. That's true way you talk still. Sorry for you, my baby. But you really out of place. And I'm sorry. Don't know if you can find it in your heart to forgive me.
I accept your apology and I'm apologizing for the way I behaved because I could have dealt with the situation much better, but I did not, so I'm sorry and also to blame.
It's okay, I'm a best friend anyway. Can't vex you for long. Where did I go?
Don't go.
Me did I go pray to buy ice cream? Come?
Alright, come on. Yo, Tally, stay right here so you know, don't move. Me, I go up the road and come back.
Alright.
Later. Go forward. Yo, Shabby. Yo, your sister down the road with man, you know. I'll go up and kiss up well nice, you know. You want to see two of them. Me just left them around there. So you can't even go on there, go look for yourself. And you see your sister well got man around there, you know.
My sister on a road with man, I must lie, you tell me. Let me know me left my sister up here and study. You know what you talk about, you know.
So believe you not believe me. Why am I tell life and everything? Me tell me for our day, you know, she not interested in that school again. And man she interested in her. Yeah, contact. But go on, you go look yourself. If you don't want to believe, she the round there. And you want to stay for like me, I tell.
Alright. I take your word for it. I go on there, I go see if I see her and make a lie, you tell. Watch me and you. That friendship I go cut off between me and my sister. Yo, what you do here, so? You sit down here up on the little corner here for? What you do here, so?
Shabby, you always go like you're my father. I hope me there so I wait for you.
What do you mean by hope you wait for? I sit down on the little corner with them boy they smoke weed and them something there and look where you in at. Man can walk past and just look for you and them look at something. Go up in the yard, man, and put on something better. I want to go study for your exam.
First of all, I can wear anything I want. Not because me there in a college mean say me a Pikney, and not because you're bigger than me mean say you can talk to me anyway. I rode with them and people are pass. You want to embarrass me? Me say I hope me there so I wait for me study from morning and I go back up go study after me and hope done do what we do. So I don't know where you go on so far.
What you mean by say you can't wear anything you want? You can't wear that when you live under my roof and me pay for your bills and me pay for your education. I want to tell you, little girl, I say go up, go put on something better, and if you come back and wait for hope. Or you meet hope up a yard and make hope. You now go study for an exam, you have exam. You not be a road for them look something here. I want to tell you, you say I go corner, come go your yard, and I not talk again.
Chappy, me not go nowhere. Me there so I wait for hope. Go on your yard. Let go from me now. go out there. When they left me out there, and see you soon come back.
So I come up and I have to left from this so when I go and go back, go deal with something. How what?
Oh girl, sorry about that, I never know. But anyways, you know some brother come house me there. And disgrace me, you know, in front of crowd, you know. He box me in my face, kick me in my bottom and push me go for go on my yard. Or where me for there my yard a study. I'm there so with man. I do all kind of something. You know what, you're my brother go on and disgrace me on road, girl. Right now I grown to get my mother girl.
Girl, really? What could I really cause him to believe that? And he know how you stay. I don't know who I'm to your brother. Your brother look like him and get off, you know, come know what could I cause him to believe something like that.
Exactly my point. Girl, me did feel so humiliated. Me I tell how much people are passing, you know. Yo, we are there so a man you want to take a book you for your tape and then go on with one bag of something and disgrace me, girl. Me say me feel so bad. But anyway still. Me I go somewhere tomorrow, you come?
Girl, me no want to come nowhere with you. Because I must church at some boring place you go. Me no want to go with you. Your life too boring for more to go where you go. Girl, no.
Girl, you're just unruly so you need like a God in your soul. Gosh, anyways, you stay over for dinner?
God that would be all the while. As we walk, God that would be. Why me I go to church for God? I pay hypocrite that church. By the way, where your mother out there cook?
I don't know what she cook, but come we go check now. You cook, you just be
No, sir.
Gosh.
Good evening, Auntie Valerie.
Good evening, madam.
Wow. How are you? Alright. What you going to do now?
I'm too tough. Talia, they're in our room.
Auntie Valerie, you know what I know? Talia, I come to. Are you? Want to talk to you about something? About Talia? But I don't want her to hear back. So let me tell you.
Well, you could have possibly tell me about my daughter women.
You know say Talia my best friend for a long time and thing. But Talia changed since she start college. You know well about application for go foreign go college and things. She changed a whole heap. You would even believe the things and what Talia I don't know. You would recognize your own daughter. Come more me I feel look for her and say, Jesus man, why Talia gone so bad? You would even understand. Talia nowadays start the phone with man long hours. And if like a one man they say for the one man she talk to with a bad and not so bad. But she talk to her 3 man. She talk to one to get money. She talk to one. But when time she got foreign she got have him to get her money and thing because you know have it like that. And scholarship alone can't go feed her all them something because she want to look like that girl. Talk to your daughter. I don't know what it is say.
You sure about what you talk about? Eh? My daughter? What me I look up to? We always in our book. You sure?
You don't know your own daughter, you know. You see Talia study for one day, Talia just there round up on her laptop, I text man or something now, she just open the book and behave like she a study. If you start look on her close and realize that she not study, she a text man or she a talk to them. But when she hear you come, she behave like she a study. So I don't know why you make your daughter fool you. You have to watch Talia now, Talia change completely.
Thanks for telling me. I go talk to her and see what can work out.
Talia a work for a scholarship to go overseas. I doubt she gonna even get a scholarship, you know. Because she not even study like one time. She just did a pretend like she a study no one did a focus on man and stress over them and something. So she not getting a scholarship got no foreign. So I don't know what she gonna do, but she not try push out an effort for them no at all nowadays. She just a focus on man alone. Anyways, me I can go man also. Later Auntie Val.
Alright, take care.
Yes, darling. Look. Wow. Dear Talia Moore, You have been accepted in the College of University in the United States of America. Your form was submitted on whatever date, and the date for you to is on the 2nd of the 2022. Mommy, I finally do it. Oh my God, I'm excited.
I'm proud of you. I'm so glad, my
Thanks,
dear.
Mommy, I'm glad too.
Praise
But
be to
Shabby
God.
there. Shabby not there.
No, but me I tell you about that girl that you say your friend. Be careful of her. Because a best friend I mess up people these days. Be careful of her. You hear what I say?
Mommy, we are talking about hope I'm my best friend from primary school days. Hope not do me nothing. We are talking about careful of friends. Me don't understand.
Make this stay in the family, you know. Don't tell no friend nothing. Don't tell her anything. Make this stay as a secret amongst the family. You hear what I say?
But mommy, Jerry and I'm my best friend. What do you mean? Me not fi say nothing to her. Me have to make sure you know.
Oh, you mean are your best friend? You don't have to tell her everything. You can't make something stay as a secret.
Alright, mommy. Anything I say.
All this, you can't hear what I feel. Remember what I tell you say.
Yes, sis, ready with.
Nothing.
Well, yeah, me here say, oh, you get through with the scholarship thing, you know. I mean, congratulations, you see me. Hope you will make something good of your life.
Yeah, thanks. Where you go with bag?
Oh, yo, you know, so I never tell you about, you know, me get a work on call center work, you see me, so more than likely, me just left out for 2 weeks, so me get a day off, come back up, or sometimes me not come up, me just send mommy a little money, you know, to take care of the bills and thing.
Alright, big bro, take care of yourself. I'm curious if you continue to send me credit, because I remember some need to do online work.
Yeah, man, just, you know, just take care of the work and thing. We see each other again, you know.
Alright, bye. Girl, anyways, I have something to tell you. I'm going to tell you for a long time, but if not, you want me paranoid or something, I thought I'm not a trust friend or whatever. But me know
But
say,
I want that now.
me know say I'm my best friend for one long time, and you not do me nothing. We got the email last week saying I get accepted to go to college, United States of America. I'm so excited. Kid, sorry, me keep it for you for so long still, but you know what?
Me happy for you now. You got fired. My best friend got fired.
Yes, girl, and
You get
guess
very
what?
good.
And guess what? Me I leave next week.
So what's the other?
Yes,
Yeah,
cause I don't know no hard, but it just carry my passport and me get my visa and my backpack and everything, so I go leave next week Monday.
So we had do for you. You have party for you for hour. We had do.
Well, we can go outside.
Outside now. Me say, finance money you go look for you though, no?
Yeah.
You go find one overseas that.
Yes, girl, so which one I pass them here? I'm ready to stir fry and rifle walk, you know.
Anyone. We are them we have go. Oh, I'm get them email all now. And the bit they get email. I must mistake them make and send somebody wrong. No, sir. Me know what I'm going to do, you know. Me know what I'm going to do.
Man, you tell me say they all come work, you know. You want me to fear, you know?
More you give me something stronger than what you give me last time. More you give me something for mad out, smarty. Strong enough to mad them out. Mad right out.
Me asked you the last time, you know, if you want something permanent, or you want something short period. You're confused, you know. But you want to know, me I raise the price for you know. If you don't have 100,000, you can't talk to me. And if I 99,000 you carry, turn back.
No worry about that, man. Me have the money ready for you. I want something mad them up. I don't want them to dead or sleep. I want them to mad out on the road and walk and them with a garbage bin. I just want something that's strong.
You have the money, you know the regular routine. You go behind the shop, you drop the money in the box, you come back. So go on, come on, I'm not tell you go on. Can't keep me picking. Why this sound like a serious matter, you know? Jesus Christ. You know people that nowadays. Me want the money stay, so I'm not going to tell her, no? You come. Have a seat and take a sack. Have a seat and take a sack. Stand up. See this? Show ya anybody do away. And then we mad here. And I'm married away now. Leave me please.
Charlie, where are we? Forward over me, no? Go keep me company now? Yeah, forward? Alright. Yeah. All walk one now, this spinning on what a clock a strike, you know? And we soon know.
Good evening, what is your problem
Not no problem. I just ask you how you cook.
now? Same thing with me, I plan to cook.
I not go there for dinner because I go stay with the pope because she asked if I can come keep her company. I can go there.
Oh, what me tell you about that, girl? Me not tell us if you leave our company.
But mommy, hope I'm my best friend as me tell her from primary school. I can't just leave her. I remember see she alone up because her mother gone foreign and her grandmother work. She said if I can't come keep her company, I can't just come back tomorrow morning.
No one about friend the other day, you know, I not telling. So, I not agree for you go. Our friend I let down people these days, so I would advise you to go in your room, go take your book.
Me and Shavit always at them about book. Me been there in my book, me can't get little freedom, just lock up in a house, so me a house rat.
But you have exam, you have studies to do. So you have to live in the book for right now.
So me can't just go and come back tonight, me not go see you till tomorrow.
Me already tell you no. I mean say no. Go on, go take up your book. And about them.
You have reached the end of the movie. I just want to say thank you for watching the movie. I mean, know someone like a movie and then I put Wally for me in a movie because they don't rate me. You see me I say, but I don't want to like to see me in a movie enough and them thing there. But thanks for support the thing and remember if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Oh, and we are going to build our own channel. So it I got link I got in the description. So if you don't feel like I don't have the time, let's go over there, subscribe to the channel because you don't know say the bang I go over there said we. You see it? I'm out.